Welcome back to another episode of Project Bear Ones.
In this episode we're going to be covering the undercarriage work. So in the last episode we introduced the Mark II Escort and went through its history.
So when we went back to work on the car, Ellie already had the car up on a rotisserie and had started removing all the body dender and years of road grime off the undercarriage. There were quite a number of rust holes in the undercarriage which needed to be cut out and new patch pieces welded in. Along with those, one of the worst areas was the passenger footwell. It had way too many little rust holes, so it was much easier just replacing the whole section.
A new piece was bought from the UK, and as much as it wasn't perfect, it still worked in the end.
So the next step was to continue bare metaling the whole undercarriage area. This is a rather tedious and very messy job. A few wire wheels later, and some wax and grease remover with a little brush to get into all the hard to reach areas, and this is how it turned out. And Ellie ended up looking something like this.
So what happened?
He was trying to help me because we were wire wheeling the whole underbody, right? Anyway, so he was there with his grinder. He had no guard on it whatsoever, and he was grinding a certain section. And it kicked back, it hit him straight in the face. All his lips swelled up, and he was like, this was all cut, man, it looked terrible. The only mod that was done to the whole undercarriage was to relocate the shifter access hole. The easiest way to do this is to block up the old hole and just recreate a new one.
Once it was cleaned, we sealed all the bare metal with 2K epoxy.
After that, we seam sealed the whole undercarriage and sprayed the whole lot in 2K satin black.
After the paint, we sprayed body deadener on everything except suspension links and mounting points.
The whole lot turned out really nice. It's quite a lot of work, but if you got the car up on a rotisserie, you might as well do it. On the next episode, we'll go through the suspension and do a few more rust repairs.
Please give a like, subscribe, leave a comment and hit that bell for video notifications.